Hi guys, Michael here. Welcome to the fish room. Today we're going to show you the story about how we breed the beautiful Mexican wild livebearer, the Nezzie Swordtail. It might not be the most conventional methods for breeding these fish, but it works for us. Hang on.
Xiphophorus nezahualcoyotl is a rare and interesting livebearer. But the scientific name is so long and difficult to pronounce that the popular name Nezzie Swordtail is what I'll use from here. This livebearer is found in rivers and creeks in the state San Luis Potosi, Mexico. The other common name, Northern Mountain Swordtail, indicates that these fish live at higher elevations, and they thrive at temperatures around 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. That is 68 to 75 Fahrenheit. And some aquarists keep them even lower. So in most cases you don't need a heater in your tank. Furthermore, they stay small, with males rarely exceeding 5 centimeters without the sword, and females growing a bit larger. We found these fish at one of our local fish shops earlier this year and bought a small shoal of adult fish. While in the quarantine tank, waiting for us to make a mountain stream aquarium biotop, the first Nezzie fry appeared. We managed to pull around 20 fry back then. By now they are 3 to 4 centimeters and strong and healthy youngsters. But let's go back. After we escaped and circled the stream tank, we moved the adults to the new home. And we made a full video tutorial on escaping that tank. The fish really seemed to thrive in the current in the stream tank, showing the best colors. The males did their courtship dancing around the females, swimming forward and backward with equal confidence and agility. After a while, the random fry showed up from time to time. A few survived in the tank, but most were eaten by the adults. Even though the fry, as well as the adults, were well fed with all sorts of live food. But then, one morning a week ago, when the lights went on, the tank was teeming with fry. The adults might have picked some, but there were plenty left. Since it was hopeless trying to catch the fry that hid between the rocks and plants, I made a quick decision and moved the adults temporarily to another planted tank. As soon as the adults were out of the tank, the fry started to be more cheeky and were all over the tank. We let them enjoy the stream tank for a week and then caught them out. We use our simple fish trap made out of a SodaStream bottle. We bait the trap with flake, pellets or frozen bloodworms and use that method every time we need to catch fish or shrimps in a planted tank. No messing up, and it's super effective. So about 30 new Nezzies were transferred to a grow-out tank. They are fed baby brine shrimp, Daphnia and copepods, and like their elder siblings, they grow crazy fast. And the adults, well, they are going back into the mountain stream tank.
Okay guys, that's all for today, the Nezzie Swordtail. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't done already. Thanks for watching.